Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, we will fix Zoom error 3000 invalid schedule time. First, check your time zone in Zoom web portal profile. Make sure it matches your Google Calendar or Outlook time zone exactly. A mismatch can trigger scheduling errors when creating meetings. Next, update your Outlook Zoom plugin. If you are using Outlook, install the latest Zoom for Outlook add-in. This helps prevent data conflicts between Zoom and your calendar. Finally, fix recurring events. Open the recurring meeting in Outlook app. Add a small space in the meeting title and click Save. This forces Outlook to refresh and reconnect the event properly with Zoom. We will also suggest restarting Outlook and Zoom after changes to ensure settings sync properly across both applications. Check that your internet connection is stable during scheduling to avoid partial sync issues with calendar servers. If the problem continues, sign out and sign back into Zoom to refresh authentication tokens now. After these steps, try scheduling your meeting again. The error should be resolved. Thanks for watching.